This is Jason Kilmer introducing the new Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pro line. The first step is to remove these scratches and swirls and other blemishes. We do that with the one and done compound. So I've evaluated this paint and I've come to the conclusion that I'm going to use the microfiber cutting pad with the one and done compound to get rid of some of the deeper defects that I see in this paint. One of the major attributes of this compound is its ability to cut out severe sand scratches and swirls. You can easily cut out 1,000 grit without any dust. That's the first thing I noticed, was the lack of or no dust. It is very transparent, so if you have the correct lighting, you can actually pierce through the compound and actually see the defects disappear. As they disappear, you switch pads, switch machines if you'd like, or stick with the same machine and go ahead and continue your buff cycle. So for medium defects, scratches and swirls, a great pad to choose is the yellow foam pad. Now that I have the paint corrected, I want to follow up and give it that shine and gloss. So now I'm going to be using the one and done compound with the orange foam light cutting pad to give it that real pop. So after you compound and you've used the one and done, you want to go ahead and protect it. Now you can use the Max Wax, which is a liquid wax, or you can use the Flex Wax, which is a spray-on wipe-off application.